Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best car rear view camera is probably one of the most essential safety upgrades you can make for your vehicle, offering unparalleled peace of mind by eliminating blind spots and significantly reducing the risk of accidents during reversing. This advanced technology not only enhances your situational awareness but also makes parking in tight spaces remarkably easier, transforming a potentially stressful maneuver into a simple and confident task for drivers of all experience levels. Number 5. ROVE R2-4K Cam. Capture your journeys in stunning 4K Ultra HD with our advanced 8MP Sony sensor. This device ensures every detail is recorded with exceptional clarity, even in challenging lighting conditions thanks to its revolutionary night vision technology. Stay connected and manage your recordings effortlessly with built-in Wi-Fi 6. Instantly view, download, and share your videos directly to your smartphone using our intuitive app, making it easier than ever to keep your memories safe. Never lose track of your travels again. Integrated GPS accurately logs your location and speed, allowing you to review your routes on Google Maps. Plus, enjoy the convenience of free, over-the-air firmware updates. This device is equipped with state-of-the-art technology, including a supercapacitor, a wide 150-degree lens, and parking mode. It also features motion detection, loop recording, and an emergency video lock for ultimate peace of mind. We stand by our product with a 1-year warranty and dedicated customer support based in the USA. Reach out to us via text or email for any questions or assistance, and we'll ensure your issues are resolved promptly. What we like. If you're looking for the absolute best in video clarity and detail, this camera is for you. Its 4K resolution captures everything with incredible sharpness, and the advanced night vision ensures clear footage even in the darkest conditions. This is ideal for those who prioritize top-tier image quality for evidence or simply want the most detailed recordings of their drives. What people say. The camera has a wide-angle lens, providing a broad view of the area behind the car. Installation was straightforward, and the camera connected easily to the car's display. The night vision feature is surprisingly good, offering clear visibility even in low-light conditions. Number 4. ROVE R2-4K Dual Cam. Experience dual-channel recording with crystal-clear footage from both the front and rear. It captures the road ahead and behind you with ultra-wide angles, ensuring you don't miss a thing. Equipped with a Sony Starvis 2 image sensor, it delivers stunning image quality even in challenging lighting. Its wide apertures allow more light for brighter, clearer recordings, day or night. Instantly view and manage your recordings on your smartphone with its built-in dual-band Wi-Fi. Download videos at speeds up to 20 megabytes SEC to easily share your journeys. This device comes with integrated GPS, showing your live speed and compass on the screen. It precisely records your routes, locations, and speed stamps for detailed evidence. Enjoy peace of mind with state-of-the-art technology. It includes features like motion detection, G-sensor, loop recording, and a built-in supercapacitor for extended life. Benefit from a custom-designed 24-hour parking mode with voice alerts. It offers time-lapse, motion, and collision detection, recording events even when you're away. Everything you need for setup is included for a hassle-free experience. It also features built-in thermal protection for safe operation in high temperatures. What we like. For comprehensive coverage of your entire journey, this dual-channel system is the way to go. It records both front and rear in high definition, ensuring you don't miss anything. If you want complete peace of mind with a full view of what's happening around your vehicle, especially for added safety and security, this is your best bet. What people say. The camera has a wide-angle lens, providing a broad view of the area behind the car. Night vision feature allows for clear visibility even in low-light conditions. The display is crisp and clear, making it easy to see obstacles and guide the vehicle accurately. Number 3. HD 1080p 7-inch wireless backup camera. Get your new camera system up and running in just 15 minutes. It's a simple plug-and-play setup, connecting the monitor to your vehicle's power and the camera to the reverse light. No complicated wiring or pairing needed, so you can start driving with confidence right away. Experience sharp, crystal-clear visuals with its HD 1080p resolution on a large 7-inch screen. Even in low light or at night, the built-in night vision ensures you have enhanced visibility for safe parking and reversing. Easily switch between different camera views or activate split-screen mode with a single click. This gives you complete control and a comprehensive view of your surroundings, whether you're parking or towing. Built to withstand the elements, this camera boasts an IP69 waterproof rating and operates in extreme temperatures. You can rely on its performance in heavy rain, snow, or intense heat, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. Make parking and maneuvering in tight spaces easier with adjustable parking lines. You can customize these lines to match your driving style, ensuring safer and more efficient parking every time. Support for up to 2 cameras allows you to cover your vehicle from multiple angles. The large 7-inch monitor displays these views in split-screen mode, giving you a comprehensive understanding of your surroundings. What we like. If you need a straightforward, reliable backup camera system without complex installation, this is the perfect choice. The large 7-inch screen provides excellent visibility, and its robust waterproof design means it can handle any weather. This is ideal for truck owners or anyone who wants a simple, effective solution for safer parking and towing. What people say. The camera provides a clear and wide field of view, making it easy to see obstacles behind the vehicle. Installation was straightforward, and the camera connected seamlessly with the car's display. The night vision feature is surprisingly effective, offering good visibility even in low-light conditions. Number 2. AZDOME M553CH-Cam 4K. Introducing the AZDOME M553CH-Cam. This advanced system captures everything in front, inside, and behind your vehicle with stunning 4K clarity. Its wide-angle coverage ensures no detail is missed, day or night. Don't let low-light conditions compromise your safety. Our integrated IR night vision technology provides clear and dependable footage, even during nighttime driving. You can drive with confidence, knowing everything is recorded. With built-in GPS, this device accurately records your driving routes, speed, and location. This crucial data provides reliable evidence should any incidents occur, offering peace of mind on every journey. Ensure your vehicle is protected around the clock with our 3-mode parking monitor. Choose from motion detection, collision detection, or time-lapse mode for comprehensive 24-hour coverage. Experience the AZDOME difference. We are dedicated to providing innovative technology that puts you in control. Drive smarter and safer with our cutting-edge dashcam solutions. What we like. For drivers who need to monitor not just the road ahead and behind, but also the inside of their vehicle, this 3-channel camera is essential. The interior IR camera ensures clear footage even in complete darkness, making it perfect for ride-share drivers or parents keeping an eye on passengers. If comprehensive interior and exterior monitoring is your priority, this system delivers. What people say. The camera has a wide-angle lens that provides a clear view of the entire rear area. Installation was straightforward, and the camera connected easily to the car's display. The night vision feature works exceptionally well, making it easy to see even in complete darkness. Number 1. IIWEY N5 4-channel dashcam. Introducing the IIWEY N5, a revolutionary dashcam that provides a complete 360-degree view of your surroundings. It captures everything in stunning 1080p clarity, ensuring you never miss a detail. Don't let darkness stop you. With 8 infrared lamps, this device offers exceptional night vision, providing clear footage even in low-light conditions. Stay connected with its built-in 5G Wi-Fi and user-friendly app control. Preview, download, and share your videos effortlessly from your smartphone. Equipped with a G sensor and parking mode, it automatically detects and saves crucial footage during impacts or when parked, ensuring your vehicle's safety. Never worry about running out of space. It features seamless loop recording, automatically overriding the oldest footage when the memory is full, and comes with a free 128GB SD card. For optimal performance, it's designed to be powered by the original car charger. It utilizes a supercapacitor for reliability and requires a continuous power connection during use. What we like. If you demand complete 360-degree awareness around your vehicle, this 4-channel camera system is unmatched. It captures front, rear, and both sides simultaneously, eliminating blind spots entirely. This is the ultimate solution for drivers who want maximum situational awareness and comprehensive protection from all angles, ensuring nothing goes unnoticed. What people say. The camera has a wide-angle lens that provides a clear view of the entire rear area. Installation was straightforward and took less than 30 minutes. The night vision feature works exceptionally well, even in complete darkness. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.